Enabling Captcha verification for QR ordering in restaurants is essential to ensure secure and authentic transactions. The added layer of security protects your business from potential misuse or fraudulent activities. In this video, we'll show you how to enable Captcha verification for Sapaad Direct. Let's start. Head over to Setup and select Sapaad Add-ons. Next, select Sapaad Direct. Under the Primary Settings tab, tick the Enable Captcha Verification checkbox. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. Enabling Captcha verification for Sapaad Direct is so easy. Now you've made your QR ordering more secure for you and your customers. Check out our video on how to enable OTP via email for Sapaad Direct. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.